I'm Hollie Watson and I'm studying my Level 3 Network Technician Apprenticeship within the Cloud Services team at WTW. 80% of my week involves doing day-to-day work within the team. The other 20% of my week is dedicated solely to my apprenticeship learning. This is the time that I get to focus on any revision, sit any exams and complete any projects that I've been set. I knew university was not the route for me, but I still wanted to continue my learning. An apprenticeship was the perfect way to keep learning, but actually apply what you've learned in a work environment. The most important thing I've learned as an apprentice at WTW is the importance of networking, growing your network and making connections not only in your team but outside of your team and with the other apprentices at WTW. WTW has an extremely supportive work culture with flexible working to best support you. They are also highly focused on inclusion and diversity, so since joining I've learned about all the different cultures that we have working at WTW. The advice I'd give to a future WTW apprentice is don't be afraid to ask questions. There's always someone who will have the answer, or they will be able to guide you to someone else who has the answer.